In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make video with pictures and music in InShot. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, make sure you have the latest version of InShot installed, and after you download or update the app if necessary, open it up and make sure you also give it access to your storage so it can find the videos, pictures, and music in your device's storage. Now, if you want to make a video, simply create a new video and choose blank if you don't already have the video with audio. Of course, if your video already has the music or audio that you want to use, you can simply select it and add the pictures later. However, I'm just going to do a blank video for this demonstration video. So in here, click the plus sign after opening up the video or making a blank video and then select video/photo. From this first menu, you can add the picture that you want to use. So find any picture you want to add to this creation, and after you add a picture, you can add it, do the filters, add effects, text, etc. Now, to properly add music or any type of song or audio to this picture you posted in the video, simply use the music tab over here next to canvas, and you can click music and my music. As you can see, this is going to detect all of the audio or music in our devices, and we can simply paste it here. As long as it's in the appropriate format on MP3, for example, you will be able to find it here. Alternatively, select the feature tab to find different songs and music that is free to use inside InShot. You can edit the video and add the music to any layer or picture you posted here. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a video with pictures and music in InShot. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.